Hey y'all, welcome to my channel or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, this is episode 104 of our 365-day daily devotionals. I'm so proud of us, y'all. I'm so proud that we made it to 100, first of all, but now we're past that, and it's just awesome. If you have missed any of the previous episodes to this devotional, there is a playlist in the description box. You can find this devotional in Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Amazon. You can also download it on Audible. It's called Jesus Calling, and it is by Sarah Young, and it is just absolutely fantastic. All right, let's jump in. Okay, 104. Let me give you all the verses for today. We got some really good verses today. I like to do that. Just that way you have them. You can go back and check them out in your Bible if you would like to, but at least you have them just to see how the Lord uses these throughout your day. Okay. When I give you no special guidance, stay where you are. Concentrate on doing your everyday task in awareness of my presence with you. The joy of my presence will shine on you as you do everything for me. Thus, you invite me into every aspect of your life. Through collaborating with me in all things, you allow my life to merge with yours. This is the secret of not only joyful living, but of victorious living. I designed you to depend on me moment by moment, recognizing that apart from me, you can do nothing. Be thankful for quiet days when nothing special seems to be happening. Instead of being bored by the lack of action, use times of routine to seek my face. Although this is an invisible transaction, it speaks volumes in the spiritual realms. Moreover, you are richly blessed when you walk trustingly with me through the routines of your day. Very good. When I give you no special guidance, stay where you are. The joy of my presence will shine on you as you do everything for me. Through collaborating with me in all things, you allow my life to merge with yours. This is the secret of not only joyful living, but of also victorious living. I designed you to depend on me moment by moment, recognizing that apart from me, you can do nothing. Man, this is so good, y'all. We're not just supposed to go to the Lord when something happens or when things aren't going our way or when troubles, emerge. That you're supposed to go to the Lord all day, every day, with everything, moment by moment. Seek His face. Merge your life with God's will for you. It is a joyful living, a victorious living. When you trust God with every aspect of your life, that's joyous. I mean, you are going to be filled with joy. So good. Let's do the verses. The verses are really good today, too. Whatever you do, work at it with all your heart, as working for the Lord, not for men. Colossians 3:23. Whatever you do, work at it with all your heart, as working for the Lord, not for man. I am the vine, you are the branches. If a man remains in me and I in him, he will bear much fruit. Apart from me, you can do nothing. John 15:5. Very good. Look to the Lord and his strength. Seek his face always. Psalms 105:4. So good. You know, that first one, whatever you do, work at it with all your heart as working for the Lord, not for men. To me, that's like, if you hate your job, you can't stand your boss, and you just hate it. You hate it every day. You hate it. Ask God to be with you. Ask God to bless your job. Ask God to bless the circumstances that you're in with your job. Work diligently. Do it for God, not for man, not for your boss. Do it because God says to. Do it because you love God. And he will bless you. I promise you that. Yeah. So good. Moreover, you are richly blessed when you walk trustingly with me through the routines of your day. Do you talk to God throughout the day? Just with simple stuff. Do you allow God to be part of your day? It's up to us how we choose to go throughout our day. It's up to us who we put first. It's up to us where our focus is. Make it God, and just see the blessings that he will pour out upon you. God is a loving God. All he wants from us is our trust. And he will bless us. So good. The joy of my presence will shine on you as you do everything for me. Let me just give you an example. You can't stand your neighbor. Total pain in the butt. But she fell out the back door and broke her hip. So make some cookies and take them to her. Do it for God, not for man. Do it for God, and just see how he blesses you. You got to think about it differently. You're not doing it for man. You're doing it because you love Jesus. Yeah. I hope I explained that well. I don't know, but yeah. All right, guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. Thank you, thank you, thank you for being here with me today. And y'all have a blessed day.